Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. This bunch of writ petitions challenges the notification dated 13/9/2012 issued by the State of UP in exercise of powers under Section 3 of the UP Electricity (Duty) Act 1952, by which electricity duty has been imposed on the rate of charge, which includes demand charge as well as energy charge. Stop. In some of the writ petitions, challenge has also been raised to the provisions of Section 3 of the 1952 Act insofar as it authorizes imposition of electricity duty on any other factor apart from imposition of duty on actual consumption of electricity. Stop. Para. In writ petition number 6172 of 2012, counter affidavit and supplementary counter affidavit have been filed by the State of UP, to which rejoinder affidavits have also been filed. Stop. A counter affidavit has also been filed on behalf of the respondent number 3, the corporation which is distribution licensee, to which rejoinder affidavit has also been filed. Stop. Writ petition number 6172 of 2012 has been treated as a leading writ petition. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioners in other writ petitions have proceeded with their submissions relying on the counter affidavit filed in the leading writ petition. Stop. Most of the writ petitions have been filed by the companies, individuals who are consumer of electricity from the distribution licensee. Stop. Leading writ petition number 6172 of 2012 belongs to this category of consumers. Stop. Some of the writ petitions have also been filed by the units which are themselves generating the electricity and also covered by notification dated 13/9/2002 modifying the rate of electricity duty. Stop. Para. For appreciating and determining the issues raised in this bunch of writ petitions, it will be sufficient to refer to the pleadings in the leading writ petition. Stop. The state legislature enacted UP Electricity (Duty) Act 1952 to levy a duty on consumptions of the electrical energy in UP. Stop. Section 3 of the Act is the charging section which empowers the state to levy electricity duty determined at such rate or rates as may from time to time be fixed by the state government by notification in the Gazette. Stop. The state government had issued notification in exercise of powers under Section 3 from time to time. Stop. A notification dated 3/1/1997 was issued by the state government in exercise of powers under Section 3 of the 1952 Act, by which electricity duty for the purposes of Section 3 (1) was fixed as 9 paisa per unit. Stop. Over.